Welcome to the training video on the ICHQ7 guideline. The ICHQ7 guideline, titled Good Manufacturing Practice Guide for Active Pharmaceutical Ingredients, is a comprehensive document that outlines the principles and practices for the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. This guideline is part of the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, ICH, which aims to harmonize regulations across different regions like the EU, US, and Japan. This video outlines the key aspects of ICHQ7 guidelines. Introduction and Scope section sets the framework of the guideline, clarifying its applicability to the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, for human use. It underlines the importance of complying with good manufacturing practices, GMP, to ensure product safety and efficacy. Quality Management section emphasizes establishing and maintaining a robust quality management system. It involves developing a quality assurance system, ensuring proper quality control measures, defining the responsibilities of the quality unit, and establishing systems for dealing with changes in product or process, change control, and for handling complaints and product recalls. Personnel section addresses the roles and qualifications of personnel involved in the manufacturing of APIs. This includes training, hygiene, health checks, and the importance of minimizing direct contact with materials and products to prevent contamination. Buildings and Facilities section provides guidelines on the design, construction, and maintenance of buildings and facilities. It covers aspects like the layout to prevent cross-contamination, air handling systems, water systems, and maintenance of a clean and hygienic manufacturing environment. Process Equipment section discusses the requirements for the equipment used in API manufacturing, including design, cleaning, maintenance, and calibration. The focus is on preventing contamination, cross-contamination, and mix-ups. Documentation and Records section underlines the importance of maintaining comprehensive documentation and records for traceability. This includes batch manufacturing records, standard operating procedures, SOPs, equipment logs, and other relevant documentation. Materials management covers the procurement, handling, storage, and testing of raw materials, intermediates, and APIs. This includes supplier selection and qualification, receipt of materials, storage conditions, and inventory management. Production and in-process controls part deals with the actual production processes, including process validation, in-process controls, handling of deviations, and batch release. It emphasizes ensuring that processes are controlled and consistent. Packaging and Identification Labeling of APIs and Intermediates section provides guidelines for the proper packaging and labeling of APIs and intermediates, ensuring their integrity and correct identification throughout the manufacturing and distribution process. Storage and Distribution section discusses appropriate storage conditions for APIs and intermediates and the distribution practices to ensure their quality and integrity during transport. Laboratory Controls emphasizes the need for well-designed and controlled quality control laboratories. This includes analytical method validation, equipment qualification, and documentation of testing procedures and results. Validation of processes, cleaning procedures, and analytical methods is critical to ensure consistent product quality and compliance with specifications. Change control outlines the procedures for managing changes in processes, materials, equipment, or facilities, ensuring that such changes do not negatively impact product quality. Rejection and Reuse of Materials section provides criteria and procedures for the rejection, reprocessing, or reworking of materials that do not meet desired quality standards are discussed in this section. Complaints and Recalls outlines the systems for handling complaints related to the quality of APIs and the procedures for conducting product recalls if necessary. Contract Manufacturers, including laboratories, part addresses the quality responsibilities when outsourcing production or testing to contract manufacturers or laboratories. It includes ensuring quality agreements and oversight. Agents, brokers, traders, distributors, repackers, and relabelers section extends the quality responsibilities to entities involved in the distribution chain but not directly in manufacturing. Specific guidance provided for APIs manufactured by cell culture/fermentation and other biotechnological processes, including aspects related to contamination control, cell bank management, and validation of bioprocesses. Specific considerations for manufacturing APIs for clinical trials are outlined, focusing on appropriate quality standards while allowing for flexibility in early phases of development. ICHQ7 aims to ensure that APIs meet the quality and purity characteristics they purport to possess, and it is a critical resource for pharmaceutical manufacturers and regulators worldwide. Thank you for watching our training video on the ICHQ7 guideline. Your dedication to understanding the Good Manufacturing Practice Guide for Active Pharmaceutical Ingredients is commendable. This training is crucial for ensuring the highest standards in API production, focusing on safety, quality, and efficacy. We hope the insights and best practices shared have enriched your knowledge and will positively impact your professional activities. If you have any queries or require more information, please feel free to contact us. Your engagement in this learning journey is invaluable, and we wish you success in applying these principles in your work.